How to Win Friends and Influence People by Dale Carnegie. The book teaches that success with people comes from empathy, respect, and genuine interest in others, not from criticism or force. 1. Fundamental techniques in handling people. Don't criticize, condemn, or complain. It makes people defensive. Give honest and sincere appreciation. People crave recognition. Arouse in others an eager want. Appeal to what they care about. Don't criticize, condemn, or complain. When you criticize someone, they don't change, they defend themselves. Human nature. People justify their actions, even when they're wrong. Better approach. Stay calm. Understand their situation.
Guide instead of attacking. For example, instead of saying, "You always mess things up," say, "Let's see how we can improve this together." 2. Give honest and sincere appreciation. Everyone wants to feel valued and important, but remember, fake praise equals manipulation. Honest appreciation equals connection. Appreciate things like effort, improvement, good intentions. Example, "You handled that situation really well. I appreciate your patience." 3. Arouse in others an eager want. If you want someone to do something, don't talk about your needs, talk about their benefit. People care about their goals, their desires, their problems. Think like this: what's in it for them? Example, instead of "help me finish this work," say, "If we finish this today, we'll both be free tomorrow." Final simple rule: don't attack people. Make them feel important. Show them benefit. Ways to make people like you. Be genuinely interested in others. Smile. It creates warmth and trust. Remember and use people's names. Be a good listener. Encourage others to talk. Talk in terms of the other person's interests. Make others feel important. Sincerely. 1. Be genuinely interested in others. People quickly feel fake interest. Ask about their life, goals, or problems with real curiosity. Instead of, "How are you?" say, "How did your exam go?" 2. Smile. It creates warmth and trust. A smile is a silent signal of kindness. It makes you approachable and positive. Even in stressful situations, a small smile can change the entire vibe. Remember and use people's names. A person's name is the sweetest sound to them. Allie, great job, feels more personal than great job. Be a good listener. Encourage others to talk. Most people don't listen. They wait to speak. If you truly listen, people feel respected and valued. Nod, ask follow-ups. Don't interrupt. 5. Talk in terms of the other person's interests. If someone loves cricket, talk about cricket, not your own topic. 6. Make others feel important, sincerely. This is the most powerful principle. Appreciate people honestly, not with fake flattery. "I really admire how you handled that situation." Golden rule: focus on making others feel good, and they will naturally like you. How to win people to your way of thinking. Avoid arguments. Nobody truly wins them. Respect others' opinions. Never say "you're wrong." Admit when you're wrong quickly. Begin in a friendly way. Get others saying yes early. Let others do most of the talking. Let them feel the idea is theirs. See things from their point of view. Appeal to noble motives. Use vivid examples to make ideas clear. Core principle: you can't force people to agree with you, but you can guide them by understanding their perspective and making them feel respected. Key techniques: avoid arguments. Winning an argument often means losing the relationship. Even if you're right, the other person may feel hurt or defensive. Respect opinions. Never say "you're wrong." Instead say, "I may be mistaken, but let's look at it together." Admit when you're wrong.
Quickly admitting mistakes builds trust and credibility. Start friendly. A soft, respectful tone makes people open to listening instead of resisting. Ask simple questions that lead to agreement. This creates a positive flow in conversation. Let others talk more. The more they talk, the more they feel valued. Let them feel it's their idea. Instead of forcing your idea, guide them to reach it themselves. See their point of view. Try to genuinely understand. Why do they think this way? Appeal to noble motives. People like to believe they act with good intentions. Connect your idea to that. Use stories and examples. Clear, vivid examples make your ideas more convincing and memorable. Golden rule. Make the other person feel important and understood, and they'll naturally come closer to your way of thinking. Be a leader. Change people without offending them. Start with praise and honest appreciation. Talk about mistakes indirectly. Admit your own mistakes first. Ask questions instead of giving orders. Let others save face. Praise improvements. Encourage and make faults seem easy to fix. Great leaders don't force change. They guide people gently, so others improve without feeling hurt, embarrassed, or defensive. Start with praise and appreciation. Before pointing out a mistake, appreciate something genuine. It softens criticism and keeps motivation high. Example: instead of, "This report is bad," say, "You've done a great job on the structure. Just a few things we can improve." Point out mistakes indirectly. Avoid harsh, direct criticism. Use soft language. Use phrases like, "Maybe we could try," "What if we consider?" This keeps respect intact. 3. Admit your own mistakes first. When you admit your flaws, people feel less attacked. It shows humility and builds trust. Example: "I've made similar mistakes before. Here's what helped me." 4. Ask questions instead of giving orders. Don't command, guide through questions. Instead of, "Do this now," say, "What do you think is the best way to handle this?" This makes people feel valued and involved. Let others save face. Never embarrass someone publicly. Even if they're wrong, protect their dignity. Golden rule: correct in private, praise in public. Praise improvement, even small wins. Recognizing progress builds confidence. People repeat what gets appreciated. Give a good reputation to live up to. When you believe in someone, they try to prove you right. Example: "I know you're someone who handles responsibility really well." Make mistakes seem easy to fix. Don't make problems feel huge. Instead of, "This is a big issue," say, "This is simple, we can fix it quickly." This removes fear and encourages action. Final takeaway: people are driven by emotion and ego, not logic alone. If you treat others with respect, empathy, and appreciation, you can build strong relationships and influence them positively. People change faster when they feel respected, encouraged, understood, not when they feel criticized, humiliated, controlled.